everyone, Cam here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing a haul for Naked Wardrobe. This is one of my most favorite online stores in the world. I've been shopping with them for years. I'm making this video because I just wanted to put y'all on in case y'all didn't already know. This is not a sponsored video or anything. I just love Naked Wardrobe because they just match my style. Like, I hate going shopping. It gives me anxiety. I don't like going to the shopping malls or anything and like looking through clothing racks. I feel like on their site, everything is straight to the point. Like, you can pick from tops, bottoms, dresses, or sets. That's it. It's just super simple. I'm a very simple and straight to the point girl. I just want to go in and know what I'm getting. I think they just keep it super classic and classy. A lot of their outfits you can wear in the daytime and it can, you know, transfer into the nighttime. So like, I can just be wearing a regular outfit throughout the day, just chilling, and then I can go to the nightclub later. So that's what I love about their outfits. Like, you can really, they can fit in any area of your life, kind of. And another thing that I love about Naked Wardrobe is that, like, you know, the day and age we're in, anytime you wear an outfit and you post a picture in it, for me, I don't care. Like, I rewear my outfits. I'm big on that. Like, I'm not gonna spend my money if I'm not gonna wear it again. And with Naked Wardrobe, I feel like they're the perfect retailer to where you're going to get more than your money's worth because you can keep re-wearing your clothes. With Naked Wardrobe, I've worn their outfits a few times throughout my Instagram and nobody even notices the difference. These aren't all the clothes that I own. Like, if you go in my closet, it's filled with Naked Wardrobe, but I'm going to show y'all the clothes that I just got with my new shipment. It's just pretty much what I always wear. Solid colors, two-piece sets, so I don't have to like build an outfit by myself. Bodysuits, jumpsuits, which I love. That is just so easy and simple. Shopping stresses me out. I know as women, you know, we love to go shopping, but when I shop for clothes and outfits, it gives me anxiety. Like, I can go shopping for hair, shopping for makeup, and I won't, like, my heart rate won't go up or anything. But when it comes to clothes and I have to find an outfit, I like keeping it simple. All of the sizes that I'm gonna be wearing, they are all a medium. I'm 5'8", so y'all know, and like 160 something pounds, 60 something pounds, you know. So that's just so y'all have an idea of how it fits my body. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know.